What up, YouTubers? This is Stone Nuts here. Got a box of Leaf Limited Hockey. Panini, sorry, not Leaf. Panini Limited Hockey. And as a bonus, getting that, looks like I got 8 packs of Upper Deck Football Heroes 2008. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Andre Woodson, rookie. Dwight Lowry, John Elway, Justin Hayward, Eli Manning, and a good old Golden Gopher, Marion Barber III. Next. Dwight Lowry, Devin Hester, a Marshawn Lynch checklist. Let's see, Michael Johnson and Jim Brown. Let's see, Jake Long, Andre Woodson. Try to stick together here. Dwayne Bowe checklist. Brett Favre is a Packer. Steve Vai, and Ken Anderson checklist. Don't forget the little security sticker there. Alright, let's see, Matt Ryan, Deshaun Jackson, got stuck. Devin Hester again, Marshawn Lynch again, Tony Iamoni, and Ken Anderson. Sean Grable, Chad Henne, Jackie Joyner-Kersee, Mel Blount, All Day Adrian Peterson, and a little Lendell White. Got something kind of thick in here. Let's see. We got Mike Jenkins, Fred Davis, All Day Adrian Peterson, and it's a fake. A fakey dakey, I like to call it. Greg Jennings. There's my little fake. Boot. Bo Jackson and Franco Harris. Oh. Darren McFadden, Xavier Adibi, Dwayne Bowe, Brett Favre, Tom Morello, Guitar Heroes, and another Franco Harris. Nothing too spectacular yet, but we have a whole box coming up. Actually, it's one pack, but let's see. Last pack. Billy Sims, CVV, Vi, whatever. Darius Bowman. Sean Grable again. Brody Croyle. Checklist, and a Derek Anderson. Whoop whoop. Isn't that fun? Alright guys, sorry if I butchered some of these names in the limited box. Trying to get back into hockey again. Being in Texas kind of doesn't really help, especially Austin, Texas, but let's hopefully get us back into it. Panini Limited. 1 pack, 8 cards per box, or per pack. I think we should get 3 autos or mems and or mems per box, per pack. The good old checklist. And our box, our pack. Wish me luck. Let's see what we got. Right off the bat, Ryan Kessler, Vancouver, numbered of $2.99. Our legend is Dennis Savard of $2.99 as well. Let's go from the back. Dion Panoff of $2.99 as well. I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name once again. Semyon Varlamov of the Capitals. Number of 49, 42 of 49. Triple limited trios. Sorry for the light there. We got Drew Doherty, PK Subban, and Zach Bugajin. And we got a redemption. Our jersey card is, I was going to guess Shane Doan. I should have guessed beforehand. I knew we were going to get him. I always get his stuff. I don't know why. So, jersey numbered of 199. We'll keep the redemption for last. Two redemptions. First one is Panini Limited Material Phenoms. Rookie card number 176. And a Panini Limited Retired Numbers signature. So, we'll go ahead and do this Material Phenoms first. See who we got. Material Phenoms. Number 176. Might be kind of hard to see, but 176 is PK Subban. Not a bad name to get right off the bat. That one's done. And a retired numbers signature. Number 4 is Johnny. Let me see that. Johnny Basic. Wish I knew my history of hockey, but unfortunately I don't. So that's our box break. We'll go look these up and see what we can get for them. Thanks for checking out. Later.